Now, you've probably been wondering, why do I have a loaf of bread on my desk? So I want to take the chance to explain that bread is quite similar to e-commerce platforms. Now, how is that? Breads are very diverse, They are a staple of global diets. You're going to find them in different shapes, different sizes, different colors, and probably even different crunch. But shopping carts and e-commerce platforms are exactly similar. They come in multiple sizes, multiple variants, multiple forms. Okay, so the first and the oldest way to make your own bread is to actually build or do everything from scratch. Now, in this case, you are growing your own grain, you're milling it yourself, and then you're actually making your bread. That's a lot of effort. In the same way, when it comes to e-commerce platforming, there used to be a time when people did it from scratch. So you are actually hosting your platform, you're also building it, you're also responsible for the security, you're responsible for everything that happens to it. Do you think anyone does it anymore? Some might, but does it work for you? You need to take that decision for yourself. The second way to make your bread is also kind of DIY, but in this case, you're actually not growing stuff. You're going to the supermarket and you're buying the ingredients from there. So when it comes to e-commerce platforming, it's kind of the same. Instead of using PHP and building everything from scratch, you take a pre-built PHP library like WooCommerce, like Magento, like PrestaShop. If you are using .NET, you might as well do that with Nopcommerce. So based on your preference, you go out there, you take up a pre-built library, and you make your bread like you would do with your e-commerce platform. Now, the third and a fairly popular way to get your bread is going to be to simply walk into a bakery or a supermarket, and there are going to be hundreds of options there. You just got to pick the one that fits your taste the best. It's kind of similar when it comes to e-commerce platforming. There are hundreds of pre-built e-commerce platforms out there. You got to simply pick the one that fits your needs in the best way. Alright, so just like you cannot tell the baker to customize your bread or make it specially for you, you cannot tell these shopping cart platforms to modify anything. There is no option to customize your checkout flow. There is no option to customize your customer behavior. You're going to have to take what is given out of the box. If this is something that works for you, you might want to look at pre-built out-of-the-box solutions. Right, and the fourth way to get your bread is going to be really bespoke. Imagine you got your favorite celebrity chef to come at your home and make you the bread of your dreams. In the same way, imagine you have specific needs and specific tastes and demands and value proposition that you need for your e-commerce platforming. You're going to need a bespoke solution. Here, you're looking at composable commerce, you're looking at headless solutions, you're looking at multi-vendor, best-in-class solution that works exactly how you need it to work in your ecosystem. If this is how you prefer your bread, this is the way to go for it. Just like you saw that there are multiple ways to get your bread, multiple ways to choose your e-commerce platform, Worldline also offers multiple ways to integrate our payment engine with your store. Now, if you already know what kind of bread you want, or if you don't know what kind of bread you want, we are always going to be there to support you. So get in touch with us.